Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix internal microphone not working on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If your MacBook microphone is not working, there may be a number of reasons mic may problems occur in the following station. First, the privacy setting. My computer have privacy setting that allows user to control how apps access the mic. If the mic is not working in just one or view app, it may be due to this. So first, you can check your privacy settings on your MacBook. You can open the system preferences. After that, you can go to the security and privacy. From here, you can go to privacy. You can check the apps that allows the microphone that allows the app for like this microphone. As you can see in here, allow the app below to access your Microsoft microphone. I'm sorry. So what's up? Have allowed the microphone. After that, if it still doesn't work, you can check to you can restart your MacBook. You can restart it your MacBook. After that, you can check your audio, the microphone settings if it's working or not on the app. After that, if it still doesn't work, the physical damage to the mic or its wiring, accidental faults, spilled liquids, and other damage to your device may the result in a broken or malfunction mic. So you can check it on the app iBox to fix your problem. Or outdated software, a quick check for updates to your app and operating system can sometimes fix quite a number of issues, including your mic bugs. So you can check on your system preferences. After that, you can check the software updates. Checking for updates. If your MacBook asks you to update your software, you can just update it. So the maybe the bugs on your microphone will be fixed. After that, if it doesn't work, you can check your settings, audio settings on your MacBook. You can open the system preferences and you can go to sound in here. From here, you can go to input. In here, you can check your. Here's I'm using external microphone, but if you're not using external microphone, if you use internal Microsoft microphone, I'm sorry, you can check the input volume. You have to make sure that your input volume is right here, not on the 0%. You have to adjust your input volume to maybe for 5%, or maybe if you want to make it louder, you can go to 100% in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix internal microphone not working on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!